what's going on, everybody? Danny with Aladdins window tinting here, and I just wanted to bring a little product review, so to speak. We had ABD Signs, a local company here, the ones that actually printed the wrap for our van, do this amazing Easy Up custom canopy that you see behind me. They also did the table throw, and I gotta say they absolutely killed it. The canopy is super awesome as far as like the durability, setting it up. It's super thick, it seems easy. I don't know, it makes a statement. This thing is rad. Our designer is the one who did the graphics, Adison, so he also did a stellar job. It's got a green sky up here and then a purple sky on the other side. All of our service icons are around here on this side to try to get you guys some different info. ABD Signs, man, they definitely bring some next level service to the game. Truth is as well that it was supposed to be ready for Friday for Cars and Coffee last weekend. There was an error in the print production. Dave made it a point to make sure that we had even some banners with some of this stuff printed up so that we had our name and stuff out there. 100% going above and beyond for us. It means that they have a customer for life from me. That was just totally rad. My sincerest thanks and gratitude. This thing's awesome. We appreciate it, guys. Thanks.